In busy retail spaces and checkout lines, speed, accuracy, and simplicity aren't just desirable, they're everything. Zebra DS82 Series handheld scanners deliver superior scan performance in a sleek, easy-to-use handheld device. The advanced optical system reads barcodes and labels the first time, every time. And the programmable multifunction button can be customized for different workflows in the same scanner, supporting third-party vision applications for image capture, recognition, and verification. Inductive charging in the cradle keeps the scanner ready to use and eliminates contact maintenance, extending its life cycle. Optional RFID functionality allows retailers to choose the best technology to complete sales transactions, or layer both RFID and barcode data for more precise inventory tracking and loss prevention. Easy, high-volume scanning at the point of sale reduces wait times and increases customer satisfaction and loyalty. Accelerate your retail operations with exceptional scan performance and integrated RFID capability in the DS82 series, only from Zebra.